This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the bunny egg box card. So this is a very quick and simple card, and I am going to start here with my one insert. I'm putting together my bunny head first. Now it is supposed to look like an egg, so there's no body part because the body is the egg. Okay, so we've got little cheeks. And then our bow. I'm going to pop this up with a small piece of foam tape. Okay, and the insert is finished. Now I'm going to bring in the base. Okay. Then I'm going to take the insert with the tabs out. I'm going to put glue on one tab. I'm going to lay it down across the back. Making sure that everything's level across the bottom so the card doesn't have any trouble standing up. Now the tabs for this one are shorter than the sides. It's just how this one turned out. So this is the side here to the right. Now we're going to bring this part in and close it up. Okay. Now bring in your panel piece. And there is a border all the way around this piece, so just line that up. Then for the card, you're going to put the glue on this piece because the front panel is rounded on the edge where this is straight. So I'm going to stand that up. Then I'm going to line this up. The reason I'm standing it up is because I don't want it uneven so that it has trouble standing. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the back. Glue my panel. Put the glue on the base. And again, I'm going to stand it up. It moved. And flip it over. I'm going to work next on my flower for the front. I'm going to curl my petals. And there we have it. There is the bunny egg box card. Thank you for joining me.